Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. The last coat cleans, shines, and protects. JB Tech Racing, accept no compromise. Roadrunner Performance, high-performance hose and fittings. And by Dorman Products, driving new solutions.
Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is proud to be your ticket to the 2021 SEMA Show and the annual National Hot Rod Association Breakfast. This year's NHRA Shindig included some of the rising stars who will carry the drag racing torch into the future.
To be able to be in this position, I'm so excited because I just have so many ideas, and especially with Justin and Antron and all the new up-and-coming drivers, I think we're able to push NHRA into a level that it's never been in before.
SEMA is the thing that puts all those puzzle pieces together. Just plain and simple for the automotive industry. You got the OEMs to all the aftermarket performance, and you're bringing it all in one place.
The Mystery Machine is here at SEMA. I grew up with this car. Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, Fred, Velma, Daphne, they're all solving mysteries. But the mystery is, what powers this bad boy? Check out this machine. They've gone over the top of the International Radical Rod Build-Off crew, and they have made the Mystery Machine and Scooby-Doo come to life. Inside, it's got a Power Stroke diesel, solving mysteries, having fun. What were they really doing in here anyway? Zoinks!
If you have a hot rod or an original muscle car, you know the steering can get kind of sketchy on those old cars. But if you're looking for an upgrade, Flaming River can help us. Brett, tell me how.
These are our bolt-in rack and pinion systems, and what this design does is bolt in the original chassis, is a mounting cradle that uses the original steering box and other armholes, and we supply our brand new rack and pinion, manufactured in Cleveland, Ohio, made in the USA, obviously, and this integrates into the car and, you know, makes the steering a lot more responsive, makes the car handle a lot better. The kits come complete, so you're getting the rack, the mounting cradle, the U-joints, the shafting, all the nuts and bolts, and we also include a steering column in that kit as well. We can do custom columns, we can do powder-coated columns, polished stainless steering columns, or you can paint the column yourself.
Flaming River has a whole lot of experience, 30 years in fact, and a lot of awards won at SEMA through the years. You can go to flamingriver.com and see how they can help your steering. Painters and fabricators, listen up. How many times have you struggled with a ruler or a tape measure trying to get around a curve and keep your lines consistent? Well, there is a new way. It's called the Truler. Jack, tell me how the Truler works.
Trulers basically stand for tape plus rulers. We invented the product, so instead of laying down some masking tape or something and marking things up, you've got a direct thing to just drill right through. Put it down on even a curved surface and drill through the product, peel it off, you've got everything done just for you. That's our basic one. We can also come up with the magnetic versions for people that need it for that, and as well as stainless steel versions too.
You're around a lot of the professionals. What kind of feedback do you get from them when they're using the Trulers?
It's excellent. For a small amount of money, they actually save time and improve accuracy.
And let me tell you, if you're an amateur, this is also going to save you a lot of heartache because you won't make as many mistakes. They're revolutionary, they're Trulers, and you can get them at Trulers.com. Well, we're out of time for this week, but that doesn't mean we're done with the annual SEMA Show. Join us next time when Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, continues to explore the world's greatest automotive trade show. From our entire crew, we'll see you next week. So long.